From life-saving safety tricks to everyday convenience hacks, this video unveils 10 secret car features that almost no one uses. Curious about what you're missing out on? The answer is closer than you think. Number 1. Hidden keyhole and key fob. Picture this. You're stuck outside your car, key fob in hand, and the battery has died. Panic sets in. How are you supposed to unlock the door now? What most people don't realize is that your key fob actually holds a traditional key, tucked away in a hidden compartment. It's a feature designed specifically for situations like this, yet it often goes unnoticed. In most key fobs, you'll find a small release button or sliding lever on the side or back of the fob. Pushing or sliding it will allow you to pull out a physical key. And here's the part that surprises many drivers. The keyhole doesn't always look traditional either. It's often discreetly placed under a small cover on the car's door handle or hidden behind the main key slot cover. This simple backup design can save you significant stress in emergencies, letting you access your car without waiting for assistance. Number 2. Sun visor side extension. You're driving straight into the sunset and the glare is relentless. You flip down the sun visor thinking it'll help, but the rays still sneak around the edge, hitting your eyes from the side. Is there a fix? For most drivers, there actually is, and it's already built into the visor. Many cars come equipped with a sliding side extension, yet it often goes unnoticed or unused. To find it, check the bottom or side edges of your sun visor. The extension is usually tucked inside and can be pulled out smoothly to cover a wider area. Once extended, it blocks sunlight streaming in from awkward angles, like through the side windows or near the rearview mirror. Not only does this make your commute less frustrating, but it also reduces eye strain, improving your focus on the road. With fewer distractions from glare, this overlooked feature can contribute to safer, more comfortable driving for anyone behind the wheel. Before we move on, I'd like to ask you a small favor. If you appreciate this content, please take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Over 98% of you watch the videos without subscribing. It costs you nothing, but it makes a huge difference to us. So did you click the subscribe button? Great, thank you so much. Now back to the video. Number 3. Fuel tank arrow indicator. You pull up to the gas pump, step out, and realize you don't know which side the fuel cap is on. Now you're craning your neck out the window or hunting for some clue. Here's the thing. Your dashboard already holds the answer, and it's been right in front of you the whole time. That tiny arrow next to the fuel gauge? It's not just decoration, it's your guide. Look closely at the fuel indicator on your dashboard. Beside the little gas pump icon, there's almost always an arrow pointing left or right. This shows which side of the car your fuel cap is located. It's that simple. Number 4. Automatic window roll down via key fob. It's a scorching summer day, and you're about to step into your car, which feels more like an oven. But what if you could release all that trapped heat before opening the door? Most drivers don't realize their key fob has a hidden trick. It can roll down all your windows with just a simple button combination. The steps vary by automaker, but follow a similar pattern. For many cars, holding the unlock button on your key fob for a few seconds is all it takes to roll the windows down simultaneously. Some brands require you to press the unlock button twice and hold it on the second press. In more advanced systems, you may need to enable this feature in the settings menu beforehand. Number 5. Rear view mirror dimmer switch. Driving at night can be tricky enough, but when headlights from the car behind you glare into your rearview mirror, it can feel downright blinding. What many drivers don't realize is that most cars come with a simple fix: a rearview mirror dimmer. If your car has a manual dimming mirror, you'll find a small lever or tab at the bottom of the mirror. Flipping this lever tilts the mirror's angle slightly, redirecting the bright light away from your eyes while still allowing you to see what's behind you. It's a classic feature that's been around for years and is easy to use on the spot. Number 6. Hidden trunk escape handle. Imagine being trapped in a car trunk. It's a frightening scenario, but one that automakers have prepared for. Since 2002, all passenger vehicles are required to include an internal emergency trunk release. This feature, often overlooked, was designed to prevent accidental entrapment, particularly by children. Before this mandate, these incidents caused up to 20 fatalities a year due to heat exposure or suffocation. Most modern cars have a brightly colored handle or lever on the trunk's interior. It's usually located near the latch or underside of the trunk lid and is often designed to glow in the dark for easy spotting in low-light conditions. By pulling the release, the trunk opens from the inside, providing a quick means of escape. Number 7. Speed-sensitive volume control. Ever notice the radio volume subtly adjusting while you're driving? That's no glitch. It's speed-sensitive volume control doing its job. This clever feature is designed to adapt your car's audio output based on how fast you're driving and how much ambient noise surrounds you. Here's how it works. As your speed increases, road and engine noise naturally get louder. Rather than manually adjusting the volume, the system uses sensors to detect these changes, automatically increasing the audio to keep it clear and balanced. When you slow down or stop, the reverse happens. Volume decreases, so it's not overly loud when the car becomes quieter. It's a subtle adjustment but makes a big difference. Number 8, windshield wiper service position. Cleaning or replacing your windshield wipers can feel like a balancing act when they don't lift far enough away from the glass. But what if your car has a little-known feature to make this task easier? Many vehicles come equipped with a wiper service position, but it's rarely mentioned in the manual. Activating this mode typically involves a specific combination of steps, depending on your car model. A common method is turning the ignition on, then off, and immediately tapping the wiper control. When done correctly, the wipers move to a higher resting position on the windshield, making them much easier to access. This ensures you can clean the glass without obstruction or replace the blades without risking accidental damage. Number 9, hidden storage under seats or floor mats. Struggling to find extra space for keeping your car clutter-free? The truth is, your vehicle might already have hidden compartments waiting to be used. Manufacturers often incorporate these secret storage areas to make the most of your car's interior, yet they're rarely noticed, let alone utilized. Take vehicles like the Dodge Journey, which features a clever storage bin under the passenger seat, or removable bins nestled beneath the floor. These spots are perfect for stashing everyday essentials, keeping them secure and out of sight. Meanwhile, the Chrysler Pacifica takes it further with covered storage bins created when its second-row seats are in use. They're discreet, spacious, and ideal for valuables you'd rather not leave visible. Number 10, Autolock feature after walking away. Have you ever walked away from your car only to second-guess yourself seconds later? Did you lock it? For many modern vehicles, this worry is completely unnecessary. The Autolock feature takes that burden off your shoulders, automatically securing the doors as you walk away. If your key fob moves out of range or after a preset time delay, the car locks itself without you needing to press a single button. Enabling this feature usually requires a few steps through your car's settings menu or infotainment system. Some vehicles offer additional personalization, such as adjusting the lock delay time or pairing the feature with other security options. A quick check of your vehicle's manual can help you activate and tailor it to fit your preferences. It's incredible how much potential your car holds, isn't it? Hidden features like these aren't just conveniences. They enhance your safety, comfort, and overall driving experience in ways most people overlook. Modern vehicles are packed full of technology to make driving safer and easier, yet many remain undiscovered simply because they aren't immediately obvious. Now it's your turn. Take a closer look at your car, try out some of the tips from this video, or who knows, you might even find your own hidden gem. Your car has more to offer than you might think, and that's where the real fun begins.
And that's 10 secret car features that very few drivers know about. But I'm sure every car still has hidden tricks you haven't discovered yet. So drop a comment below. Are you dealing with any car issues you don't know how to fix? Any tips, tricks, or features you want me to show? Or are you just curious about hidden functions sleeping in your car? Here at Car Fix Free, I test all features, hacks, and car fixes completely for free. This way you can drive smarter without spending a dime. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss the next videos uncovering secret features, clever tips, and must-know car hacks. Only on Car Fix Free, where every car secret is revealed for free.